Transform your small yard. Cozy rustic garden ideas for maximizing tiny outdoor spaces. If you're working with a small patio or a compact backyard, this guide is brimming with creative, budget-friendly tips to transform your outdoor area into a rustic oasis. From incorporating layered greenery to finding that perfect cozy seating arrangement, you'll discover how to make your small space not only functional, but also stylish and inviting. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your favorite idea in the comments below. This makeover is ideal for those who have limited outdoor space, but big dreams of creating a serene retreat. Rustic garden design emphasizes natural materials like wood, stone, and metal, which add an enduring charm and warmth to any setting. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or plan to hire a professional, these ideas can be easily adapted to fit your space and style. We'll guide you through creating distinct zones, using vertical gardening for maximum greenery, and incorporating clever lighting solutions to utilize every square foot effectively. No matter the season, it's always a good time to embark on your rustic backyard transformation. Spring and summer are ideal for planting new greenery, while autumn provides a perfect opportunity for hardscaping and refreshing your outdoor decor. Even winter has its purpose, offering the chance to plan and design so that your garden is a welcoming haven once the weather warms up. Adding simple elements like trellises, climbing plants, gravel paths, and cozy furniture ensures your outdoor area remains a beautiful retreat all year long. Rustic garden design is about connecting with nature and making your backyard a reflection of your personal style. Embrace sustainable practices by using reclaimed wood, vintage decor, and eco-friendly materials to craft a garden that is not just charming, but also environmentally conscious. Whether you decide to include a fire pit, hang a hammock, or cultivate a collection of fragrant plants, each detail contributes to making your outdoor space a sanctuary of comfort and style.